Welcome. In front of me I have GARETT Atom watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. So the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and to do it, press the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to open the settings. In settings, look for the option called bright. It will have the sun icon. Tap on it, and here you will see the option called screen time. Select it, and now you should see the list of durations, and you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the duration you would like to use, and once you find it and select it, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. I selected 15 seconds, so my screen should turn off after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the screen or the buttons for 15 seconds, the screen should turn off to save the power on our watch. And it could be, or should be, quite soon. I would say right about now-ish, but I guess, yeah, a bit longer. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.